So welcome back to the channel, guys. I am participating in a challenge, a fall dupe challenge hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner and Eclectic Kristen. And I'm so excited about this because the piece I got is from, well, the piece I'm attempting to copy comes from Big Lots. So I have everything painted now. I got my pumpkins are all painted. I may have to touch up some of the paint on them. I got my urn painted, which took a while because I tried to use the acrylic paint, but had to end up using some of my chalk paint. I wish I had some spray paint, but I didn't have any white spray paint to use, so I ended up using my chalk paint, which is good because it kind of gives it a little, some spots there that look like they could be rubbed out. And my inspiration piece does have a roughed up look. So let's try to put these together. And for this fall dupe challenge, it's an urn with 3 pumpkins in it, and I'll enclose the picture. And as you can see, it's a very, very lovely piece with the fall muted colors of the greens, the light greens and the muted greens, like an ivy green. So I set out to Walmart to get the paint that I needed, and all the other supplies I already had at home. I had the pumpkins, I had the urn, and it just needed to be tailored, painted a little bit, some hot glue. The leaves and flowers are all from the Dollar Tree. Some I already had. So this was a pretty decent challenge for me because the major parts I already had. As I said, I had the pumpkins, I had the urn. Those are the big pieces. The flowers I had to run out to Big Lots to get. Excuse me, no, Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. I got the flowers from Dollar Tree. So this is going to be a talk through with a little bit of music. So to try to keep this short, let's get started. Again, thank you to our hostess, Kenya's Decor Corner, and Eclectic Kristen for this fall dupe DIY challenge. I'm happy to participate. Don't forget to check out their channels, which will be listed below, as well as the playlist. And please check out the other creators who participated in this challenge. Thanks for the invitation. I'm happy to participate.